To install the OneFit LX and OneFit Max car seats with latch in the forward-facing position, begin by locating the top tether storage on the back of the OneFit. Open the compartment, squeeze the adjuster button, and pull down to loosen the strap. Then unhook the tether clip and close the compartment. Place the OneFit in your vehicle seat in the forward-facing position. Lay the tether strap over the back of the vehicle seat. Make sure it is not blocking the vehicle seat belt buckle and that the base is laying flat on the vehicle seating surface. Check that the headrest of the vehicle seat does not interfere with the headrest of the OneFit. Then squeeze the recline adjustment handle and pull forward to adjust to a recline position. Check the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble is between the two lines for forward-facing installation. Readjust the recline as necessary. Now, locate the latch connector storage compartments and remove the latch connectors. Make sure the latch adjuster strap, labeled Pull First, and the Super Cinch latch tightener strap, labeled Pull Second, are loosened to their full length. Next, grab both ends of the latch straps and slide them into the red forward-facing opening on both sides. Close both latch connector storage compartments. Locate the latch anchor bars in your vehicle. Attach both latch connectors to the anchor. Pull up on the latch adjuster strap labeled Pull First to tighten and remove the slack. Then pull down on the Super Cinch latch tightener strap labeled Pull Second to secure the OneFit in place. Locate the tether anchor in your vehicle. Attach the tether hook and pull the adjuster strap to tighten. Hold the OneFit at the belt path and pull side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Make sure the bubble is still between the two lines for forward-facing installation. If necessary, loosen the latch and tether straps, readjust the recline, and repeat the installation steps to make sure the OneFit is installed properly.